My name is Iziphozonke Mlambo, and I'm currently doing grade 12 this year. I've been part of the Eskom Science Expo competition for the past 4 consecutive years, and my highest accolade was getting the chance to actually participate in the International Science Fair competition held in Oxford. As you can see, I'm wearing this t-shirt and I'm proud to be where I am today. I'm actually proud of how far I've come with Expo, because I've personally seen myself grow in this field of science. What actually inspired me to join the Expo was my school's deputy principal, Mrs. Lebenberg. She was the one who told me, who gave me the insight about this whole science Eskom Expo thing. And immediately when I heard the call for all Eskom Expo participants, I got up and raised myself with pride, and I took on the application form, and I was so eager, and I couldn't wait to actually come up with an idea and start my research project. But it all began, the actual work began immediately after I filled out my application form. That is when I actually had to sit myself down, get myself together, and come up with an idea. My latest research project was titled Synchronization, a Solution. A question: how did I come up with this research project? I looked at one of the major problems that the whole world is currently facing, and environmentally I saw and I identified that we've got problems like the melting of the polar ice caps, the global warming, ozone depletion, etc. Now all of these problems are actually caused by one source and one main problem, which is called litter. So, and litter there's nothing we can do about litter. We have tried asking people to stop littering. We've tried to do campaigns to ask people to limit the littering percentage, but that did not help us, and it doesn't help us. It does not stop the plastic from endangering the earth, especially for the upcoming generations of the human race. Now, I actually embarked on a research project. How will I actually take out the syntheticness of this plastic, the syntheticness of this litter? The syntheticness refers to actually the plastic causing all these dangers to the earth. So I actually went on to research what causes this syntheticness, what causes all of these problems, what is it that plastic has that makes all of these problems. So I found that it was resin, and this resin was the problem, was the main source behind the problem. And resin is what makes plastic plastic, it's what makes plastic durable, plastic natural qualities, because of the syntheticness of this resin. So I decided to come up with a solution. How about we actually chemically bond this resin with something else, with another organic primordial called latex. So after bonding these monomers together, synchronizing these two monomers, latex and resin, I had to conduct food tests on the sample that I got from the synchronization to actually test the biodegradability of the product. to see if this product is actually biodegradable, if this product is actually bio-friendly. So food tests had to be done to verify and test my experiment to see if my hypothesis was proven. Most of my tests were positive. My tests for starch, glucose, and oil, most important, were tested positive. Why? Because this latex is an organic primordial that is found and secreted by plants. So plants actually secrete this glucose, this starch, these oils that I'm talking about that we need in order to make our plastic biodegradable. And that is how I actually found myself competing in the International Science Fair competition, with my highest accolade in this particular project being highly recommended. And with that said, I, Iziphozonke Mlambo, will continue to work in the Eskom Science Fair competition. Thank you. Tag Eskom Expo turns 40.